I have told my sons, look for that girl to come, we have dinner. I want to encourage that young girl. The young lady who decided that Rigathi Gachagua, the name is a little bit difficult, it is not very melodious, and I think this guy looks a nice guy. We need to give him a name that sounds more nicer, it's more melodious, RIGGY. I said it's a good name. And to encourage, our young people, I took it up in good stride. I have told my sons, look for that girl to come, we have dinner. I want to encourage that young girl. I'll see what I can do for her so that I can see from my salary, I can boost her a little bit to be able to do something. I saw
Goko niguo Gikuyu Community News. Make sure no subscribe niguo kamenya gwatinda atia, gwake atia na gwatuka atia.